Namaste and welcome to the video. Let's see example number one. We are reading the cuboid and the cube volume now. Today we are going to learn about the volume of cuboid and volume of cube. How to find we can. Okay. So the question is given like this way. In the cuboid, if length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter, find the volume of cuboid. Okay, that is given the cuboid's length, breadth, height, and now we have to find the volume of cuboid. So in this type of conditions, so look at once I will make a one cuboid. This is a suppose one cuboid. Okay, this is a cuboid. uh, its volume, its length is 4 centimeter and its breadth is 2 centimeter. Okay, breadth is 2 centimeter and the height is 1 centimeter. Now we have to find this volume of cuboid. Okay, volume of cuboid. Okay, so for this one we can right now in the given here given length L is equals to 4 centimeter, breadth B is equals to 2 centimeter, and the height is equals to 1 centimeter. Yes, so we have to find the volume of cuboid, so that's why I can write volume of cuboid is equals to what this we have to find. Okay, so after this now let's do this one now. Volume of cuboid equals to L multiply B multiply H. This is the formula to find the volume of cuboid. Last time I gave you that formula. Okay, L means the 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter, and height is 1 centimeter. Okay, so in this you can find. So multiply this 4 to 8, 8 1 8 centimeter into centimeter square. Centimeter square into centimeter is centimeter cube. In this way we can find the volume of cube. Therefore, volume of cuboid is 8 centimeter cube. Answer. Okay, in this way we can find the volume of cuboid. Okay, let's see next one example. Let's see now. We can see next example. Okay. So look here. If the volume of cuboid is 8 centimeter cube and its length is 4 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter, find the breadth of cuboid. Okay, breadth of cuboid. Okay, if this type of questions come, then how we can solve the problems? Okay, there is given the volume of cuboid, that is 8 centimeter cube, and its length is 4 centimeter. Okay, length is 4 centimeter. Length is we can write there is 4 centimeter. Find the and its height is 1 centimeter. Now we have to find the breadth of a cuboid. Okay, so this is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. Here is a length. Length is given, that is the 4 centimeter. Height is given, that is the 1 centimeter. Now we have to find the breadth. This breadth is 1, and its volume is given, that is the 8 centimeter cube. Okay, so now we have to find this volume of the breadth of the cuboid. So in this type of questions when comes then, so last time I told you that in the perimeter, in the area, and in the volume, when you are doing this type of questions, in the time whose value is given, that's formula we have to use to find the value. Okay, so we can write now your solution. You can write here given volume of cuboid equals to 8 centimeter cube. Okay, length is given, length L is equals to 4 centimeter, height H is equals to 1 centimeter, and breadth B is equals to what? This we have to find. So it is given the volume of cuboid value, so that's why we have to use the volume of cuboid formula. Now volume of cuboid equals to L into B into R. This is the formula. Okay, so volume of cuboid is given, that is the A centimeter cube, equals to L means that is given the 4 centimeter, and H means there is given the 1 centimeter, and B we have to find into H means that is a 1 centimeter, or 8 centimeter cube is equals to, okay, 8 centimeter equals to, so multiply these two numbers, 4 ones are 4, and centimeter into centimeter square will be, okay, into B. Okay, so 8 centimeter cube. Now this 4 centimeter goes to divide down for this 8. Now here will be B left, so you can cut 4 2s are 8, centimeter square and centimeter square will cut. That means there is only 1 centimeter left now, so 2 centimeter equals to B. Therefore breadth equals to breadth is 2 centimeter. And so you can find the breadth of the given condition.